Well, it's Christmas time, pretty baby, and the snow is falling on the ground. Hello, Merry Christmas from Creative License and me, Bill Herman. This is my little show. Thanks again for jumping in, especially on Christmas Day. Don't you have something better to do? I wanted to just check in, say Happy Christmas, and I've been thinking about what I wanted to talk about today. And people oftentimes have Christmas wishes, right? So I thought I would talk a little bit about some Christmas wishes that I have for all of you. Being that the new year is upon us and the world is ahead of us. And as DJs, we don't always get what we want. As the great song and the philosopher Mick Jagger once said. But, if you try real hard, you get what you need. Anyway, here's some wishes I have for this year for Christmas wishes for you. Number one, I wish for you lots of really cool gear. Yeah, they've got some brand new stuff coming out, stuff that I have been hearing about, but I'm not going to tell you much about, but you're going to hear about it. And I hope that you see some things that are really interesting. I hope that you take advantage of some great, wonderful things. I wish that those things are so cool and so much fun that it just brings back the love of DJing for you. What else? Well, I want to wish for you more mistakes. Yeah, I wish that you would make more mistakes, because with every mistake you make, you do better, right? You grow more. I can tell you from my own personal experience that my education came from throwing myself against a brick wall every single day until I figured it out. And I made lots of mistakes to be able to get where I am now. And I still make lots of mistakes. Heck, this video might just be a big mistake. So make lots of mistakes. I wish that for you. I wish that you have a chance to think about networking and being a part of collaboration with not only people around you and other artists, but other DJs. I wish that the networking is something you could lean into. And if you don't have a networking group where you are, I wish that you would start one with your colleagues, with other DJs you've never met. Share all of your ideas. Tell them everything you know about DJing. And believe it or not, they're going to do the same for you. And when you come up against something where you need an idea, be able to collaborate with people who really understand who you are, what you're trying to do, and the kind of clients you're working for. What else do I want to wish? Well, I want to wish health. I want to wish that you prioritize your health. In the coming new year and everything that's going on, we prioritize a lot of stuff as business owners and as disc jockeys, but oftentimes we forget that we can't do this if we don't take care of the temple. I am completely all over that one because I have not in the past prioritized my health. And because of it, I've run into some problems. And as you get older and as I get older, that prioritizing has to be even more important. So one of my Christmas wishes for you, that you take a better take your health more seriously. And if nothing else, your hearing. Have your hearing checked and see how things are going. I wish for you more respect. Respect for not only you and what you do, but respect given to those other colleagues that you have, not only in the DJ profession, but in the events profession. One of the things that I hear from DJs on a regular basis is they don't feel respected. And I get that. I don't feel respected on a regular basis either. But oftentimes we don't actually give out too much respect to others because what do they know? We know better, all of that stuff. That's not the best way to go. You do at times know better, but to not respect your colleagues means you're not going to get the same thing back. And when many of our colleagues are not respected because of the way that they might be showing up, you're showing up different. Show some respect for not only those people, those colleagues, but for yourself. Stand up for who you are and what you believe in. And I wish more respect for you in this coming day. Here's one when it comes to gear. I wish that we come up with I wish for you a wireless signal system for your speakers. That is amazing. I wish that Bluetooth would be better tomorrow. I mean, wouldn't it be great if Bluetooth and that signal could go more than 25 feet? Wouldn't it be life? Heck, 25 feet is probably pretty long. Imagine if you could have a Bluetooth signal that has evolved into something you can send a signal 100 feet away through a whole bunch of people. That would be a wish, a really big wish. And finally, I want to wish for you some true professionalism and a true professional wage, a living wage. I wish for you a $2,000 raise in every event that you do. I wish that you go out there and you share the kind of professional way of being in a world where they can't believe that anyone would show up with that kind of pro mentality. I wish that you would look into those things and find a way to be able to show up in a way that blows people's minds. Professionalism is what we all need to be able to raise within our industry. And if we start showing up professional, then the rest of the world will start professional right as well. And finally, I wish for you to remember why you got into DJing in the first place. Remember why? I don't know about you, but I got into it because it was fun, because I was having a lot of fun. And quit worrying about other DJs around me. Quit worrying about whether or not I'm impressing my colleagues and my friends. And remember that this is supposed to be fun. Yes, we're supposed to be at service of the clientele, of the audiences, of the dancers. But remember, this is supposed to be fun. And if you got into this to be fun, and then it's no longer fun for you, then I wish you would find a way to find another job that was just as much fun. But if you remember why you got back to it, if you go back in your head to really feel those reasons, then you'll remember that this is a fun job. I wish for you happiness. I wish for you joy. I wish for you fun. And I wish that you guys keep checking me out every Monday here on Creative License. Merry Christmas.